Hello everyone, this is Kausunak and today is 31st of July 2023. Here we are again, today is Monday and first let us jump into the screen and then let's discuss on how the day is going.
One eternity later.
Okay, so we are on the screen, we are on the chart exactly right now and we are about to start with our trade and let us click on the buy option. We are going long because I have just driven a golden line, green line and we are going to buy 60 quantities right now at the price of 1 second, yeah, at the price of 820. Seems a better price for me and boom, place an order book. Let's look at into the order book as well. Right now you can see 45,820 liters and yeah. Right now, okay, good. Let us go on the chart. So the reason for me to trade to take this trade was very simple. The market started a little high over here and then went down. Before that, just let me show it to you. And then right now it is trading at 45,827 and it was supposed to go till 20 but it has still not got until 20, but we will see that in later a while. I hope that orders get executed and my target is not much, around 45,920 to 950. That would be my target. Right now it's trading at 23, 22, 26, close to 20, but it is not executing at all. It's really boring right now. I have been waiting for the last 1 hour around the same time to find a perfect opportunity that it might start moving upwards from here, but it did not. So I finally at 135 I took the position at 820, but it does not seem to be entering onto that position. So I will just wait for a while and then see how things will work out over here. I hope it does in my favor, but I'm just gonna give a try. Let us see how it will. So this is the screen. You can see 823.65. It is 823, 823.5. No. Okay, so I think I'm going to cancel this order. Boom, we have cancelled the order. You can see the position. We have nothing on the screen as well. We do not have no trades taken on the day 1 of the week, which is Monday 31st July, and boom, we have not taken. Let us go to the chart. I will tell you why I wanted to take this trade. Okay. Yeah, so before that, first you can see that high is 896 and open is 744 and then my placed order is 820 while the low is at 600. Okay, so coming on to the chart part, okay, I just told you, right? So you can see over here on the 1 minute time frame that I have driven the part. It is just going around this part. Right now it is 3 o'clock. I drove the line around this point, but it did not go above that. And after like 1 hour also, it did not go. Suddenly at 2:59 and then after 3, it started to move. And you can see I have cancelled the order long ago and I did not take any position. Right now it is trading at 590. So yeah, close to my target, but did not go above the target. The market is closed in and around. So thank you so much for watching up until here. I will see you in the next video. Before that, why I took the trade, because you can see and on the 30-minute time frame that the market was slightly going to the bottom. It hit the bottom level, but it did not cross the bottom level. It just hit a good resistance and started to bounce back, but it did not go above that. That is the reason why I took the trade, and there are possibilities that tomorrow market might even cross 46,000, and it will definitely, if not it might, the next target will be around 45,300 ish level. Okay, so I guess that's all for today. Bye bye.